Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to turn off the in-app purchases on your Android device. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and you can watch this video till the end to understand that. So for that, we can start by opening up the Google Play Store, specifically on our Android. So tap on it. And once you open up the Google Play Store, you need to look out for your profile, usually in the top right corner. So go ahead and tap on it and access the menu on your screen. Now from here, you can look out for the settings option and tap on it and access your settings. And for settings, you can select the option for authentication. So you can look out for that option. So you may just go over and find the section for authentication and tap on it. After that, you need to look out for this option called require authentication for purchases. So go ahead and tap on that option and once you do it, so you can choose the for all purchases that Google Play Store on your device. Once you tap on it, you may be asked to enter your Google account password, confirm your selection, and once you follow the on-screen instruction and do so, you can just go over and tap prevent accidental ending and then turn off your in-app purchases on your Android device. Option set. So you can for everybody. If you'd also like to do so, you may follow up this method for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.